Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Okay. Today is our day 5 of this great journey of capacity building training on ICT, organized and sponsored by Hammad Technology and Consultancy Limited. Uh, so, as we always do, we are going to have a recap based on yesterday's class. That is, uh, recap on yesterday's, where we talk about how to delete, permanent delete, and how to recover file or folder or any document deleted in your computer, where we showed the functions keys that you can use to permanent delete a folder or document inside your computer. Or if you delete it and you want to recover it, you want to recover it where you can go and find it and recover it, and where if you have permanently deleted it, you cannot find it anywhere
Wani,
in your computer.
okay,
So for
baba nan, kana can ko ya dawo? To abubuwan da dama ko wani canji ko kuma
please, 1
eh?
WBAZH.
To Allah, Allah,
Okay. Today
insha
we are
Allah,
going
insha
to talk about keyboard.
Allah.
In girman Allah malam ka kashe someone please, who is talking background? We are hearing some noises. Background noise is too much. Please, Malam, ask him to mute himself. It's so distracting. It's so distracting.
Okay. Today we are going to talk about a keyboard. Okay. As we are mentioned earlier, uh, keypad keyboards are key parts that we are used to insert information in our computer, starting from alphanumerical keys, that is letter A to Z. We also have a numbers, that is 0 to 1. We can find that numbers as the second line at the top of our computer. We can find it from 1 to 0. Then we have a function keys. Function keys are the first line in our computer at the top. After escape, if we can look at our keyboard here, from escape we have F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, and F12. That is how they are. Then we have a control keys. These are the control. This is alt. This is window key. This is shift. This is escape. These are all control keys that we are using to perform a task in our computer. Then we have a navigation key. These arrows as this, off, down, left, right. Also have a um, this end, face down, face off, and home. These are all navigation keys. Then we also have a numerical calculator keys, such as these ones. We also have a less than, greater than, plus, equals to, and others. Also has special keys such as this spacebar, enter, shift, backspace, tab, tabs, and others. These are all keys that we are using to perform a task in our computer. So these keys, more especially these ones, F1 to F12, each one has its own function depending on where you want to use it or depending on where the uses is for. Because sometimes this one cannot function in another place. Like, well, Nasser,
Sir?
are you saying something?
Hello?
Are you saying something?
No, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. So
No, sir.
let's okay. Let's let's practice sums and see how they function in our computer. Okay, let's open a folder and see. So like this, when you open your document, something like this, if you press F1, this is what it will show you. It will connect to the internet to ask for help. Maybe you are looking for help, want to find something in a computer, then that function F1 will perform that task to ask for what you want to ask. So I think since we don't have much time and due to the network problem, you can just try and do it at your own ease. Try to perform all the function keys from F1 to F12 and see what that function is performing. But as we said, F1 is using to open a help, while F2 is used to select or rename a file or a folder, most of the times in Excel, while F3 is used for search, then F4 is used to close a window and program, while F5, we use F5 to refresh or reload a page. So you can just practice it at your own ease. So I think that is all we have for today. If you have a question, please you can ask.
Please, I have a question.
Okay, I can hear you.
I'm from F1 to F12.
Yes.
Does that F1 to F12 has any other function other than this function that you have just stated? Does it has any impact on keyboard? What I'm saying is that can you use F1 to do a different thing on your computer, or it has only that function that you have just told us?
Yes, for most of them, they only function
Mm.
they only have that only functions. Like that F1, wherever you
Mm.
click on F1, it will just open for help wherever you press it.
Okay. Okay.
But for the F4, it perform a function. Let me share again. Maybe I don't know whether yesterday you did switch. Okay, you're supposed to do it since in our how to on and off a computer. Like F4, if you press Alt and F4, this is what it will show you. Sorry.
Alt plus F4.
Yes. You see, it will end our meeting, leave the meeting.
Okay.
If you want to run down the uh, system at all, or you want to reset your system or put it in a sleep mode. That is the function of F4. But
Okay.
it will first ask you to close all what you have opened in your system before it perform the final task for either switching off your computer or whatever you want to also put it in a sleep mode or reset it. Any question?
Okay.
Any question?
So the problem the network is not clear, so sometimes I miss a lot of things there. The network
Um,
is not
it's not.
it's not good here. The
I'm
network is
sorry.
not good. I
I'm
can't hear
sorry.
well. Mm.
Likewise, I'm experiencing the same issue. That's why you see I'm on, off, on, off, on, off because of the network issue. We are
Yes,
having a
because
network problem in our side also.
okay, because this lecture I almost lost a lot of things here today because I didn't because of the network issue.
Okay. And so what we only covered is keyboard. What we did with keyboard
Okay, sir.
and what keyboard is stand for in a computer. You know, it's a input device.
Okay, sir.
As you know, we are all the input device are using to input information into the computer. So keyboard is part of the input devices. The keyboard part is classified into alphanumeric letters, that is 1 A to Z. We also have numbers, that is 0 to 1 to 0 or 0 to 9. We also have function keys, as we said. You can find the function keys at the top of your computer: F1, F2, F3, up to F12. Then we also have a navigation keys. By the left hand side down edge of your computer, you will find some arrow showing off, another one showing down, another one showing left, another one showing right. And the last line, the last column of your computer, you find a home at the top, end of, face up, sorry, face down, end. These are all navigation keys in a computer. This end, face up, face down, if you are performing a task in a let's say in a Microsoft Word, and you want to go to the end of the page, you can just click on face down, or sorry, as end. It will take you to the end of the page. Then if you click on face up, it will take you the face off. Then or if you click on home, it will take you to the first page of your document. Then we talk about the numerical keys, that is calculation keys, which are uh, numerical calculations such as greater than, less than, equals to, plus, minus, division, multiplication, and others. Then we also talk about numerical key part. Sorry, we also talk about special keys such as enter, like this here, enter. As you can see from the diagram, this is enter, this is shift, this is space, this is alt. Also have a tab, tabs, shift, control, and escape. These are all special keys in a computer. All these keys has its own function and it is used and why you are using it. Like space, we all know when you want to differentiate between the two words, you would click on space. Or if you are typing something in a computer, you want to go down, then you click on enter. On a shift, you can use shift to maybe change the task, like let's say you are typing and your keyboard is as normal small caps, that is small alphabet, and you want to start your written, maybe you are written in names, you want to start with each alphabet, you know, is supposed to start with capital. So you can hold a shift key and press that alphabet, it will become a capital letter. Let me just see if if you have time to test it and see. you see the screen, please? We are saying if you hold the shift key and press S, it will appear as capital letter. While if you
It is
continue,
played right now. We are seeing it.
okay, like one, if you want to write Sani like this, Sani maybe Ahmad, you can press shift key and press A. As you see, it is appear capital. Then you continue your typing. These are some part of the functions that shift is performing. But that's not the all. That's not all. You can also like what you have asked. I'm sorry, please. Okay, let's continue for testing our function keys. So like this one, I press end. You see, this is why it takes me, and I press home and it takes me to the first page. So if you press face down, you see it will take you to the next. You press another down again, it will take you to the next. If you press off, it will take you to the first one, to the top one. And if you press and it will take you to the last phase. While if you click on home, it will take you to the first one, first phase. So likewise, arrows keys, if you press, this is, I press uh, left, this is right, left, left, this is right, top, top, down, sorry, down, top, 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 top. That is how you are going to test this and see what these keys are doing, performing in your computer. Any question, please?
Yes, please.
Okay, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Please, my question is that originally this particular training has been designed to train 1,000 Nigerian civil servants on ICT.
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Each candidate design his area of working. That's a place where he's working. Some people have selected finance and other aspects.
Yes.
But surprisingly, we have only 9 active participants right now on the platform. I don't know what is actually happening, please.
So it's not from our end. As you can see, if you look at the WhatsApp group, you find that there are many people inside the group, and we are hosting our
So why are
meeting
they not here?
inside the group. So
So why are they not here?
I can't see, actually.
Mm, mm.
That's the truth. I can't say
And
because we have done what we can
then
do. We cannot call anyone, maybe using bare phone to say, please join the group or join the meeting or join the class. We can. That's the only thing we can do, just to face the meeting ID so that anyone that is interested to join. We already know that it's not
can join.
all. Yes, we already know that it's not all that will join. We know that.
Mm,
You already know that.
mm,
And you too, you know that it's not everybody that will join. You too, yourself, you know that. You're aware of that.
mm, mm, mm.
Assalamu
But
alaikum.
mm,
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Assalamu
the
alaikum.
turnout the turnout is very low. That's why I'm complaining about.
Yes, the madam is aware of it. He's seen everything. He knows
Mm.
what he will do next. Everything will be okay. As long as some
Assalamu
are
alaikum.
participant, at least I'm sorry, please, Madam Bello, I'm coming. You know, if you want to do something, no matter, even if you want to teach the whole Zamfara state, at least if you get one person learn, it's okay for you. At least
Mm,
you know you have achieved
mm.
something. Like here, we are all
Yes, it
learning.
is true.
Someone may see my mistake, correct me, or I may see a mistake of someone, correct him or her. That person also can correct me in doing something or learning something. Being a teaching someone it doesn't mean that you are above of or you know everything or you are above of him. No, sometimes you are just being there maybe by chance or by it's just a little bit by chance. It's not that you are above of everybody. So I think to me learning is a cooperation between the learners and the teacher. Okay, thank you very
And
much.
tutors.
Yeah.
So next person should go ahead and ask his question, please.
Malam Bello.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. My question is somehow similar from what the previous person asked. Understand? I want to know when are we starting specialization? As he said, all the interested candidates have already selected the areas they want to specialize on. Like me, I choose finance, and we are yet to start a specialization.
Yes, as I respond to one person, I think 2 days ago, the program was already designed. You know that. So it was designed to start from the basic up to where Marlon thinks that is enough for you to learn to maybe at least learn something. Because sometimes you may find out somebody at a stage, but he don't know that basic. Let me tell you something. Today, someone comes to me, he get a job in the MTN office. He's good in programming, but he's not good in typing. In fact, he haven't used any Microsoft Word. He come and asking me what did he supposed to learn. I say if you want to learn, he should focus on this Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, because most of his tasks after in his position, he must document his work and he must present it. So you see, he must learn these two applications, Microsoft Office Word and PowerPoint. So he don't know anything about them. In fact, all he knows is just programming. He told me that he learned. He's an architecture. So he's not even learned computer science. He's an architecture on his on